Tuesday afternoon, about noon. All right. You saw we have the black cow, we have hollytone, and the boys getting ready to pull out some bushes up in the front. They got added on last night. 8 more removals, 3 transplants. So I'm headed back to the nursery, grab some more plants, and 1 more gorgeous Japanese maple. Not much going on at the moment because we're just getting started. Second shift landscaping crew, here we are. We stay up too late, we get up too late, so we work late. So today's probably gonna be 12 noon to 8 p.m. Whatever, 8 hours is 8 hours. So they're gonna be here planting. I'm gonna go to the nursery to get plants. Check back in. All right, boom. Another beautiful Jap maple. Different species. I'll show you the tag when we get into this little planting. Picked up some more of the Autolucans. These aren't flowering yet, but they have the promises of them. I got the warranty on these also. Well, they're kind of yellow, more yellow than the last batch. And I knew we were kind of out of the really nice ones that I got last time, because when nurseries buy these crops, they'll buy like 50 of one crop from one grower, 50 from another crop from another grower, and they're different. Same plant, same species, grown in different soil, different climates, different farm. So they're gonna be different, all right? These will blend in over time. We'll get some nutrients in there to make them get darker green. And yeah. This is the tree section of Pine Ridge. Really got just so much selection. Hey, that Weeping Blue Atlas, both of those that I have on those big walls on that one property, both came from back here on this lot. So yeah, good stuff here. I'm out. Catch up with you back at the job. Just talked to Dalton, Chris, coming along, okay? Back at the scene. I want to show you guys something that's very important. It's a small $10, $15 purchase that could save you thousands and thousands of dollars in damages. All right, so check it out. It's a must-do when you're transporting plants. All right. Simple plant tarp, frost tarp, wind tarp, whatever you want to call it. Hopefully, I double wrapped it and I tied it good. Hopefully, none of the branches, none of the leaves got wind burn, okay? Let's unwrap it real quick and see. All right, no broken branches. We do have a little bit of wind damage. It will repair itself. Now, if you don't cover this stuff, if you don't tarp these, the whole tree would be a disaster. All the first round of leaves would be done. They would all fall off. You'd have to wait weeks for the second round of leaves to come out. The good thing about these Jap maples, majority of them, if they get sunburnt or something happens to them, like a frost or something like that, they do have a second round of buds that will come back out and flush itself back into a tree, same season. Pretty cool. So we'll put this where it belongs, and y'all can check it out. Boys been doing good planting, taking out shrubs while I was gone. We'll continue. All right. Whoa. Whoa. Sweet. Alright, so these are already fit to be pulled out and transplanted around the corner. We just have to dig a nice big hole right here for the beautiful Jab maple. Google that one. It'll show you all its growth and its cool stuff that it does. It's very, very hardy to the sunshine. It doesn't crisp out in the summertime heat, all right? Drought tolerant too. So, let's get to work. All nice and tickled.
Yeah.
You guys turn them so these sideways and growing side to side. Slightly left. Yeah. A little bit more. Yep. A little bit of loose. You don't need to put any, just loosen it up, put some stuff in it.
Just needed the holes deeper.
Yep. Perfect. There we go. And some of that, Chris, since we got what, those 3 more down there to do.
Yeah.
You can take some of the extra dirt you got there and go ahead and dump some of that right there on that load.
Okay.
Then you'll have enough to where I can mix.
Where the bulk spot is?
Yeah. Yep. Yep. Cool. Yeah. We moved 2 butterfly bushes there to match those down there. Got these in. Obviously.
Oh, you got more than enough dirt.
Yeah. Yeah. What you got? All right. Well, goodness gracious. It's about 4:30 now. We just took a little break. Those rocks I was just planting in, it's really hard to do, all right? If you've ever had to replant around stone jobs, rocks, fabric. All right, so sliced my knuckle. Had to take a break, breathe a little bit. I'm gonna just knock out this plants right here real quick because it's nice and easy. And then I'll come back focused on those rocks. They were aggravating me, so got to get back in my head right. We'll get some footage of these. We'll knock it out, all three of us together. Oh, we did that one already.
Good beast.
2. That was all fucked up, jacked up, isn't it?
Ain't it?
Is that where the hole was, or is that where the...
Yeah, that's where the hole was, man. I was looking at that. Was after I was like...
Wow. Can we...
Is there room to move it over? Yeah, there's next thing. Room to move it over.
snug it this way?
Yeah.
All right. Little painful missions. So they match up with those. Those got a little bit of winter wind burn, but same plant. Not much space between these things, so we don't make a bunch of mess. This is our method here. That's how we had to dig it out. That's how they had to put it back in. Chris has been doing an amazing job. So is Dalton. They're rocking his job out, man. So I got 4 junipers down here to plant. And I'll let you guys sit here and roll footage on the boys up here rolling through it. All right. Yeah. Y'all got 2 left? I got 2 left.
Huh?
I got 2 left.
Oh, I just hit stuff. Almost. Yeah, two hidden. Yeah, you would have been It's a pain, man.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I did all 20 something tons like that with my hands and knees over my parents' house.
Oh, man.
At least those were round.
A little bit heavy, isn't it?
It's a little bit of work. Yeah.
Did pretty well.
I think we did really good today. These was not easy to do right here. Alright.
It's gonna fall out.
Can get around the other wheel, bro. Yeah. No, that's
Good.
yeah. So cool. 2 feet. 7:30 on Tuesday night. All right, we just got done with this install of 60 plants, trees that kind of got thrown at us. You know, it's all good, man. It's been fun. It's really turning out nice. Turned everything to Evergreen City now. So we'll come back tomorrow, mulch everything back here that you can see. Gotta get some metal edging, and metal edging goes in the back. Gotta bring in some more slate chips. So we're all tired, we're all hungry, but we work second shift hours, so we're not complaining too much. It's almost time to quit. No, it'll reach. Yeah. Just take off and follow him. Yeah, it'll reach. You hit these? Oh, dude, you gotta hit these. These are important. Yeah, those are real important. Be kind. Love each other. Peace. Elite landscape style.